Mamelodi Sundowns clinch historic eighth straight Premiership title in style. Mamelodi Sundowns have etched their name further into South African football history, clinching a record extending eighth consecutive Betway Premiership title with a commanding 3-0 victory over Chippa United on Wednesday night. With just 1 point needed to seal the championship, the Brazilians made no mistake at the Nelson Mandela Bay Stadium, asserting their dominance early and never looking back. Lucas Suarez returned to the starting lineup for the first time since their defeat to Orlando Pirates, while Marcelo Allende slotted back in after serving a suspension, replacing other sails in the lineup. It took only 10 minutes for Sundowns to stamp their authority on the match. Ikram Reyners capitalized on slack defending, curling a sensational strike into the top corner. The goal did not only broke the deadlock, but also took Reina's season tally to 14 league goals, bringing him level with teammate Lucas Ribeiro at the top of the Golden Boot standings. Chippa United struggled to match the intensity of the newly crowned champions, but remained a threat on the counter, with Giovanni Philanders runs down the left flank, providing their only real spark. Despite a few late first-half flurries from Sundowns, Chippa's defense, marshalled by goalkeeper Darren Johnson, managed to keep the deficit to just 1 goal going into the break. Reyners thought he had doubled the lead 10 minutes into the second half after finding the net again, but the assistant referee's flag denied him incorrectly, according to replays which showed the striker was onside. In response, Chippa United made a double substitution, handing a debut to Abraham Mashele and bringing on Ronaldo Maman, while Sundowns introduced Peter Shalul and other sales. The change paid dividends quickly. Sales made an immediate impact in the 69th minute. What looked to be a speculative cross from the Brazilian forward looped over Johnson and nestled into the far corner, catching the cheaper shot stopper off guard and doubling Sundowns' advantage. With the host chasing the game, Sundowns capitalized again in the dying moments. Johnson's loose pass fell straight to Sales, who needed only one touch before calmly slotting home his second of the night and seventh league goal of the season. The final whistle confirmed what has long been anticipated. Mamelodi Sundowns are champions of South Africa once again. With a game to spare, their continued domestic dominance, a blend of tactical brilliance and squad depth, makes their eighth straight title not only historic but also a statement of their unrelenting ambition. The road to glory was paved with consistency, class, and character, traits Sundowns have turned into tradition. Meanwhile, the Mamelodi Sundowns coach Miguel Cardoso dropped captain Themba Zwane from Wednesday's game. The Masandawana midfielder is coming from a long-term injury sustained in October 2024 and saw him miss 6 months of competitive football. Cardoso explained why he did not select Zwane to play against Chippa. He said, "Well, yesterday, Chippa United were very kind to allow us to have a small training session here. It's a beautiful stadium, and we had a training session because we traveled early in the morning. We also had the chance to understand that there's a lot of sand on the pitch, which was visible to everybody, so I decided not to risk Themba Zwane. Themba Zwane is coming back from an Achilles injury, which was quite severe. So it can be very tricky for him to play on a pitch with these kinds of conditions. Such beautiful stadiums, I'm sure they will have a beautiful football ambience. It's really important to protect the players in order to avoid injuries, and Themba had a particular situation where he's coming back from injury and is getting better and getting playing minutes. I believe he expected to find a way to play today, for sure, but everybody has to understand that my job is to protect my players." Since returning from the injury in April, Zwane has made 6 appearances in the PSL and CAF Champions League, all coming from the bench. Cardoso has opted for a cautious approach when handling his captain, who is expected to play a key role in the upcoming crucial games. Masandawana have the two-legged Champions League final as well as participation at the 2025 FIFA Club World Cup. In June, matches they would need the experienced Zwane to start. Cardoso also said that he has not seen his family for 7 months. He said, I was speaking with my family. Since I joined Sundowns, I have not seen my father and my mother for 7 months. My wife and my son only came to visit me twice in South Africa. Because Portugal is so far away, we struggle, but we live with pleasure every day. It's a very strange sensation that I'm feeling, but a wonderful one. It has been a wonderful experience to be in South Africa at Mamelodi Sundowns, and just a wonderful experience to work with this group of players. It has been hard, very hard work that we had to put in, but the energy, love, and support that we received pushed us to get to where we are as a team. The Portuguese tactician revealed what kept him and the rest of the team going through the difficulties of fixture congestion and pressure to deliver week in, week out. And so I think that when we arrived, it was clear that something needed to change, mostly the energy. The change had nothing to do with the work done by the previous coaches, whom I respect so much because it was not a matter of results. It was a matter of the energy around the team. So we invested a lot in the relations, a lot, because football is not only the way to touch the ball, but also the way you connect as a team. So the technical team, the players, the staff, and the club have a good spirit and ambience around. That was the key for us throughout the season, and that's how we overcame difficulties. Meanwhile, Mamelodi Sundowns stars Ronan Williams and Grant Gegana have reacted to clinching the Budweiser Premiership title after cruising to a 3-0 win over Chippa United. Williams fired back at their critics, who cast doubt over their ability to defend the league. The Bafana Bafana captain was speaking shortly after the game on SuperSport TV before joining the rest of his teammates who were celebrating in front of their fans. He said, so many people doubted us, but I said at the beginning of the season that good luck to those who think it's not going to be our season. That's because I know and I see day to day the effort that we put in and the sacrifices that we make as well. I'm just proud to be part of this amazing team, and if you want to win the league and the cups, come here, and that's the word of the day. Another standout performer at the heart of Masantawana's defense has been Grant Gegana. The rock-solid defender has urged their rivals to catch up if they want to break their stranglehold on the domestic front. He said our mentality hasn't changed since the day we arrived here, and we understand that it's heavy to wear the Sundowns jersey. It's not anyone that comes here that is able to do the business, but we came here with the right mentality from day one, and we haven't dropped the standards. It's not only about us dropping the standards, but other teams have to catch up. That's because we've set the bar very high and we keep continuing to improve each and every season. We can't be glad with what we did on the league and still have one more game to go. Congratulations are in order to Masandawana. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more sports news.